Okay, after posting our Technically You podcast on DeepSeek, we received comments about some concerns on the advancements on AI. So we decided to do a short podcast on, is AI advancing too fast? Because to some, it's getting kind of crazy.
Oh yeah, it's moving so fast I can barely keep up.
Seriously. You hear about robots doing brain surgery or whatever, and then suddenly they are composing symphonies and making movies. I mean, whole movies. It's wild. And that's exactly what we're going to unpack today in this podcast.
We're looking at a document on, is AI advancing too fast? And let me tell you, the answer might just freak you out just a little bit.
Yeah. So, first things first, what exactly are we seeing out there? What are some of the big AI breakthroughs that are blowing your mind?
Well, we used to think things like creativity and problem solving were purely human things. But AI is changing that. I mean, robots are now learning and adapting to new situations without any human input.
It's like they're thinking for themselves.
Yes, that is kind of true. And I read about this AI that can actually diagnose cancer.
Wait, really?
Yeah, from medical images. And it can be more accurate than human doctors.
Wow, that's incredible. But also a little scary, right? What happens to doctors if AI can do their jobs better?
It's a good question, but maybe it's not about replacing doctors, but giving them a powerful new tool. You know, AI could help them catch diseases earlier and make better treatment decisions.
Okay, that makes sense. So it's like AI working with humans, not against them.
Exactly. But then there's the other side of the coin. Like, what about deepfakes?
Ugh, don't even get me started on deepfakes. It's like, how can you trust anything you see or hear anymore?
Right. It's a huge problem for news, for politics, for everything.
Yes, deepfakes could totally erode trust in everything.
Absolutely. We need to be way more critical of the information we're consuming. We almost need a new kind of literacy.
AI literacy.
Yeah, exactly. We got to be able to spot the fakes and understand how these algorithms work.
So it's not just about understanding the tech, it's about being aware of how it can be misused.
Exactly. Never trust one source of information. Find multiple sources and be more logical instead of emotional.
Right?
And it's not just about fake news either. AI is creating art now, music, even movie scripts.
I know, that's crazy. And part of me is like, is this the end of human creativity?
That's a good question, but I think AI is actually pushing us to redefine what creativity even means. AI can produce technically amazing stuff, but does it have that emotional depth that human art has?
Right, like that spark of something special.
Yeah, so maybe we need to expand our definition of art and appreciate both human and AI creations.
So AI is not just changing our technology, it's changing how we think about being human.
Totally, and we have to be careful because AI is everywhere now, from customer service bots to social media and personalized ads.
It's like, are we becoming too reliant on it?
That's the danger. What happens when these AI systems fail? Do we even know how to do things ourselves anymore?
Right, we need to find that balance.
Definitely. We should use AI to enhance our abilities, not replace them completely.
So it's like a partnership, not a takeover.
Exactly. AI handles the boring stuff, and we get to focus on things that require human skills like critical thinking, creativity, and other human traits.
Okay, that makes sense. But how do we make sure AI is used ethically? Who's setting the rules?
That's the scary part, when and where regulation comes in. We need clear guidelines and policies to ensure AI is developed responsibly.
But isn't there a risk that too much regulation could stifle innovation?
There's always a balance to be struck, but without some guardrails, we could end up with biased algorithms and AI systems that actually reinforce existing inequalities.
That's a good point. So regulation is about making sure AI benefits everyone, not just a select few.
Exactly. It's about making sure AI serves humanity, not the other way around.
So where does this leave us? What can we as individuals do to prepare for this AI-driven future?
Well, first we got to educate ourselves about AI, how it works, its limitations, and the ethical considerations.
AI literacy, right?
Yep. We need to stay informed and participate in the conversation about AI's role in society. And remember, the future of AI is not set in stone. We're shaping it right now with the choices we make.
So, to everyone listening out there, feeling a bit overwhelmed by all this AI stuff, remember, you have a voice in this. You have a role to play.
Think about how AI will impact your life, your job, your community. What are you excited about? What are your concerns?
Use your voice, use your actions to ensure a positive outcome for everyone. And it's not about becoming an AI expert overnight.
It's about engaging with these questions, being aware of the potential impact, and making conscious choices about how we want to integrate AI into our lives.
Because the future is ours to create. It really is. And that is something to think about.
Definitely. Food for thought.
Food for thought, indeed. All right, that's it for this short podcast. I hope you learned something new and maybe your mind blown just a little bit.
Yeah, stay curious, folks. AI is here to stay, so let's make sure we're ready for it and not afraid of it.
Absolutely. See you next time for another Technically You podcast.
That's right. See ya.
Bye.